Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys is we're going to have the unboxing and our initial review of the Zeblaze GTS Pro. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is we have here our new smartwatch, which is the Zeblaze GTS Pro. Right guys, so I got this one guys at Shopee for around 1,000 pesos, so that's around $20. So as you can see guys, this is the front of the box. So there is the Zeblaze branding on the upper left, and in the middle you can see there the design of our GTS Pro, and there is a quite big branding of GTS Pro here on the right side. Alright, and on the side of the box there are some specifications like long battery life, water resistant, stopwatch, multi-watch faces. It's also the same on the other side. And at the back guys, so you have here the product name and the package contents and some information. Now let's open the box. So guys, upon sliding the main cover, there is another small box here with the Zeblaze branding in the middle. So let's open that one. Then we have here the Zeblaze manual, as you can see. Okay. So there is our Zeblaze manual. Okay, so it's quite thick guys, so it will give you the basic information of the watch along with its parts here. Okay, let's set this aside, and they have this kind of paper. So it says there, new year, new ways to be better, hashtag my reason is Zeblaze. Okay, this is nice, and it says there, thanks for choosing us. And we have here our charger. So it is magnetic guys, it's in here. And we have here our watch itself. So let's put the box aside, let's take it off. Right, and this is the strap guys of the Zeblaze GTS Pro. And these are the highlights of our Zeblaze GTS Pro. So it is water resistant guys, so it has IP67, and the screen size is 1.65 inch. Alright, and the screen type is HD color touch screen, and it is compatible with Android and iOS as well. Alright, and the application that we're going to use is Glory Fit. Okay, so now guys, let's look at the watch. So here is our Zeblaze GTS Pro guys. So it really looks nice guys, and it kind of reminds me of Mi Bro color. And the strap size, I think it is 21 millimeters, and it has lots of holes in it, so it is silicone. And we have here the watch of lock here. It is kind of different style, yes. And this is the watch itself guys. So there are quite huge bezels on the side, and we have here the power button, and on the left there's none. And at the back guys, so you have here the sensors, and also the charging port are here, yes. And around the sensors there's also says here sports, heart rate, waterproof, smartwatch. Okay, so let's try to turn it on. So let's just long press this switch here. So it says there Zeblaze, and boom guys, this is our watch face. So it is beautiful guys. So it kind of reminds me of that, you know, iWatch kind of, you know, watch face. So let's try to see guys how many watch faces does it have. So let's try to long press and let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so we only have 6 watch faces, and the other one guys is custom watch face, which you can download later on. So let's try to scroll down guys, and let's see what we have. So when you try to scroll down, guys, so you have there the shortcuts for brightness, find your device, about, and setting. Now let's scroll up. Then we have here the message notification. Okay, let's try to scroll to the right. Then it will give you the applications. Okay, and it also the same with the when we scroll to the left. So here are the applications, guys, of this watch. So we have your steps, the heart rate. So as you can see, when you tap it and the sensors are lighting up. Then it has also blood pressure, SpO2 or oxygen level, and sleep monitoring for light sleep or deep sleep. Then music, Bluetooth control, training. So let's try to see, guys. It has outdoor running, swimming, cycling, indoor running, walking, tennis, badminton, skipping, baseball, basketball, alpinism. I am not so sure with this, guys. Maybe it's like hiking, football, cricket, volleyball, rugby, spinning bike, table tennis, hockey, gymnastics, jumping back, boating, yoga, sit-ups, dancing. Wow. It has lots of sports mode, guys. So if you are a person who likes lots of sports, then this one might be a good option for you. All right, then we have here weather. So you can set that one later on. We also have their message, stopwatch, find, and function. So let's tap on function, guys. So we have here the brightness, the on and off shortcut, reset, and info. Okay, and that's it, guys, for the application. So basically, guys, it's almost the same with Mi Bro Color, but I was actually looking forward for the breathing, but it has no feature. Okay, I think it's kind of lacking, so that breathing application is really nice. Okay, it's almost the same size with Mi Bro Color, and that the same feeling as well. Okay, but it has lots of sports modes, guys, and the screen, it is more vibrant, okay, compared to the Mi Bro Color. Okay, and but the design, it's really minimalist. And yes, if you're a person who likes to do lots of sports, then this one is good for you. All right, and guys, is really nice watch from Zeblaze. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and make sure to click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we have new smartwatch in our channel. Alright, guys, so once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.